Alright guys, we are all welcome back. So let's quickly round up what we have been learning so far. So we are going to learn about how to do a password validation. Sometimes you may be browsing to a website and they require that you input letters and digits before they can accept your password. In some other websites, they may include that you indicate you input a uppercase, lowercase, and numbers and digits. If you understand, and also some websites may even go more further and tell you that okay, they need special characters to like symbols like at, star, or all those kind of symbols. Okay, so now let's learn about that one. So now what you have to do is come inside your input element of your password. Okay, so from this input element of your password, now let me do something. There's a kind of passphrase that you can do. From this your placeholder, now you can indicate that your client should input minimum of 8 characters, 8 characters, an uppercase, a lowercase, a digit, and so on and so forth. You can see this one is showing only in the placeholder, but like I told you, this placeholder is just a kind of guide. It doesn't really have effect like it's just a kind of a watermark. Let me say a watermark that's just going to display immediately you start typing something, is going to disappear, and that is just its work. Okay, so there's another way in which you can do this, and your clients will really understand more better, so that they won't just put any kind of password in the box for you, that you specify for them that this is what you want. Okay, so now this is how we do it. There is something we call positive look ahead. Okay, so there's something we call positive look ahead, and that one is done by you bring out your pattern attribute. Is a pattern. Okay, so inside that pattern, now what we call the positive look ahead, this is it. You open your parentheses, you see the parentheses, then you bring out your question mark, your equal to, and dot. Okay, so these three symbol is what we call positive look ahead. Your question mark, your equal to, and dot. Okay, so now having done this, now what are we looking ahead to? This is going to tell the system, the computer, that the computer should look ahead to these coming indicators that I will put now. So now positive look ahead into, now let's say you want to bring your uppercase first, so you just put an asterisk. Okay, now you now bring your square bracket. Okay, now this, let's say for capital letter A to Z. All right, so that is that for that one. You bring out another one, question mark, equal to, and dot. Okay, positive look ahead to small letter now, A to Z. Okay, let's do for another one, positive look ahead, question mark equal to dot, into. Now this time around, now for digits, into, for digits you will now use the slash. This time not the backward slash but the forward slash. Okay, the forward slash. Now you input D. Okay, so it's going to tell your computer that at least a digit. Okay, so that D is meant for digit. You can also indicate any other symbols. You just have to bring your positive look ahead and you indicate the symbols that you may require. Just bring out all those symbols, anyone you like. Okay, so now let's view this and see. All right, let me input first name, my email address is required. Now here, now this is password. Okay, let me try and input something now. See, I just input anything, so it's going to tell me that please match the requested format. Can you see this sign now? Please match the requested format, which I have described in the program. Okay, so let me now try to do something now. Please match the requested format. And there's other way that you can show them what you really want them to input. So I'll copy this one to save our time. Now if you still want to show them what you really want, then you just have to come here and bring out your title attribute. Title. Okay, I've made a mistake. This one should be here. So now inside your title, let me paste this, paste back. Okay, so inside this title now, you are going to see the difference. Okay, let me input the first name, email address. It's giving me suggestions. That is one of the work. So now let me input anything. I want to show you the difference. You can see, please match the requested format, minimum of 8 characters, an uppercase, a lowercase, and a digit. You can see that is the work of this the title now, the title that I just included. So that is the work. So now let me now try. You know that this form is not accepting this password from me. So let me now try to match what is required. An uppercase, let's say A lowercase, digit, let's say 1 2 3. Okay, so now let's try and submit. Oh, why is it not accepting it? This one is kind of slow. Okay, please fill out this field. Let me now type something. An uppercase, A lowercase, B a digit. Let me use AB3 now. Let's try. A minimum of 8 characters. Okay, so we have 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, Please match the requested format again. Oh, why is it not accepting it? Oh, okay, let's check something. A to Z, A to Z, DG. Oh yeah, so there's something I missed up here. I forgot. So I have not really specified that minimum of 8 characters. So to do that one, now to specify that you need minimum of 8 characters, you have to bring your this curly brackets. You see, this curly brackets, you bring out this your curly bracket and you specify that you need from you need at least minimum of 8. What's this? Minimum of 8 characters, 8, okay, comma. You see, 8 and comma. This comma is telling you that at least minimum of 8 characters starting from 8. Let's say you require them that you don't want them to put too long password. You can say maybe from 8 to 10, okay, or from 8 to 12 characters, okay. So let's leave it out like this, minimum of 8 characters. Now let's check it out and see what it's going to say. Okay, the first name, the email address. I'm inputting those ones because they are the ones that I indicated that they are required. Okay, let's assume every other field is required to, I'll have to put them. Okay, so now this password now. So minimum of 8 characters with capital letter, small letter, and this. We have A, E, D, U, L, W, A. Now this is the 8 characters. I've included a digit now. Okay, I have included an uppercase, lowercase, and I have included number too. Okay, so let's try and submit now. Wow, bravo, you can see that it have accepted the form. Okay, it have accepted the form. So you can do it many ways that you like. Okay, you can either indicate that they should you require them to put special characters like symbols, star symbols, and all those things like that. So other things that we can do that to make this password more unique is by using CSS and JavaScript. Like you have defined this password validation now, you can make the computer to interact with it that, okay, whenever the computer sees that you have imputed an uppercase, there should be a kind of interaction that you will be seeing, that it will be marking. Like, when you are browsing to some website and you are inputting password, it's going to tell you this password is weak, this password is minimum, is this password is strong, all those things. And the kind of symbol that some it will be marking is like a mark symbol like this. So all those ones are done with CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so this is about HTML programming. Okay, all right, bye for now. See you in the next lesson.